Tired of endless laundry? Meet the Dorten of D Mini Washer. Wash anywhere, anytime. Powerful 4000 mAh battery. Gentle or strong wash modes for all your fabrics. Multi-directional turbine for deep cleaning action. Waterproof design. Compact and easy to store. Get yours now. Clean clothes are a breeze. Tired of overflowing laundry baskets when you're on the go? Introducing the Dieter 10VD Portable Mini Washing Machine. Get it now for a limited time at 86% off. Originally $69, yours for only $9. Wash anywhere, anytime, with gentle or strong modes. Perfect for travel, dorms, and camping. Deep cleans and removes stains with ease. Hurry, this flash deal won't last. Click the link and grab yours for $9.99 now. Tired of laundry chaos? Meet the Seikafa Portable Washer. Compact design folds away for easy storage. Perfect for apartments, RVs, and travel. Effortlessly washes delicates and small loads. Choose from 3 cleaning modes. Energy efficient and whisper quiet operation. Get your Seikafa today and simplify laundry. Laundromat trips got you down. Apartment living cramping your style. Introducing the Seikafa Portable Washing Machine. Space saving, mighty clean, folds away for easy storage. Perfect for small spaces and travel. Washer handles small loads with ease, fast and effective, energy efficient, and gentle on your clothes, plus super quiet. Get yours now, 80% off. That's right, from $299 down to just $59. Don't miss this flash deal. Limited time only. Click the link. Get your Seikafa now. Tired of laundry holding you back? Introducing the Mezzanine Portable Washing Machine. Wash anywhere, anytime. Cordless design, 15 washes per charge. Perfect for travel. Gentle on delicates, tough on dirt. No install needed. Get fresh. Hygienic results easily. Flash deal, 84% off. For a limited time, get your Mezzanine Portable Washer today. Tired of laundry overload when you travel? Introducing the Mezzanine Portable Washer. Wash anywhere. Cordless, compact, and ready for adventure. Gentle on delicates, tough on stains. Get 15 washes per charge. No installation needed. Flash deal. 84% off. Just $15.49. Click the link now and get yours. Laundry day dragging you down. Say hello to freedom. Introducing the AOL BSPD Portable Foldable Washing Machine. Weighing only 75 pounds. It's travel ready. 3 wash modes, including a quick wash option. Folds down for easy storage. Fits anywhere. Clean clothes anytime, anywhere. Hassle-free. Flash deal. Get it now with 69% off. Get your AOL BSPD Mini Washer today. Introducing the AOL BSPD Portable Foldable Washing Machine. Compact, foldable, and perfect for any space. Enjoy multiple wash modes for all your needs. Gentle on delicates, tough on dirt. Save space, time, and money today. Get yours now at a special launch price. Click the link and experience the future. Tired of laundry day headaches? Meet the Windfire Portable Washer. Powerful 11LB washer and 7LB spinner combo. Clean with ease, includes drying rack and hangers. Laundry made a breeze. Simple controls. Perfect for small spaces and on the go. Flash deal! Get it now for only $65.99. Was $189.99. Simplify your life. Get the Windfire Portable Washer today. Click the link and order now. Say goodbye to laundry day headaches. Introducing the Windfire 18LBS Portable Twin Tub Washer. Includes drying rack and hangers, a complete laundry solution. Normally $189, but now only $65.99. That's 65% off. Wash, spin,
dry,
all in one. Flash deal ends soon. Don't miss out. Click now for a laundry day upgrade. Drowning in laundry? There's a better way. Introducing the Sarandi Foldable Washing Machine. Compact design, perfect for small spaces. 3 wash modes, delicates to travel gear. Foldable and easy to store. Saving space, clean clothes anywhere, anytime. Gentle on fabrics, incredibly easy to use. Limited time, get it for 63% off. Upgrade your wash, get yours today. Drowning in laundry? Meet the Sarandi Foldable Washer. Compact design, perfect for small spaces. 3 modes, wash, rinse, and spin dry. Ideal for travel and baby clothes too. Flash deal, get 63% off. Was $159.99. Now, just $58.44. Click now. Clean clothes. Anywhere. anytime.